Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create or update Keap contact on Gravity Forms submission. So I am running a real estate agency, and for my company I have already created a lead form by using Gravity Form. Now what I want to do is I want to automatically manage these leads, and I want to create or add these leads automatically in my CRM application, that is Keap. So here what I want to do is that as I'm going to receive a new form submission through Gravity Forms, then automatically by using all the detail of my lead through that form submission, I'm going to create or update a new contact in Keap. So here for doing this automatically, I need to build a connection between Gravity Forms and Keap. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead detail by giving a new form submission through Gravity Forms, then automatically by using those details, I will create or update a new contact in Keap. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create or update Keap contact on Gravity Forms submission. So as the owner of a real estate agency, I can improve my lead tracking by integrating Gravity Forms with Keap. So each time a prospective buyer fills out an inquiry form on my website, a new contact should be automatically get created or updated in my Keap account. So this will allow me to manage follow-up seamlessly and personalize my outreach based on the specific interest, leading to higher engagement and more successful property showings. So here what I want to do is that I automatically want to connect Gravity Forms with Keap. So whenever an interested lead will submit my form, then automatically by using those details of that form submission, a new contact should get created or get updated in my Keap account. So here if the contact does not exist, then it will automatically be get created in my Keap account, and if that contact does exist, then it will automatically get updated. So here I'm going to create this automation between Gravity Forms and Keap just by using Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect, I can build this connection without any coding and programming skills, and Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now what I need to do is I just need to use Pabbly Connect. So for that, I need to first open a new tab, and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in, and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create or update Keap contact on Gravity Forms submission. And now what I need to do is I need to click on create. And this will direct us to this most important window of our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in our workflow, we can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here what I need to do is I need to first set up my trigger, and here for setting up my trigger, I need to search for my trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be Gravity Form. So I'm going to search for that, and now I need to select Gravity Forms here. Now I'm going to give my trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and new response will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Gravity Forms with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Gravity Forms and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow this instruction, and first I need to copy this webhook URL, and now I need to take you to my Gravity Form. And here I have my Gravity Form plugin in my WordPress account. So here I have opened Gravity Forms, and in Gravity Forms I have created this particular form of inquiry form. So this is going to be my form that I'm going to use, and by using this form I'm going to get all the inquiry details of my prospective buyers. Now here what I need to do is I need to connect this form with Pabbly Connect so that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission from Gravity Form for this particular inquiry form, then automatically the response of that form should be sent to Pabbly Connect and I will get all the detail of my form submission. So here for connecting Gravity Form, I need to go to settings, and in settings I have this particular option of webhooks. So I'm going to open that, and here in webhooks what I need to do is I need to add a new webhook. So I'm going to click on this add new button. And here I need to first give the name to my webhook. So I'm going to clear this and I'm going to name it as Keap Contacts. And now here I have to fill this tab of request URL. So here in this tab, I'm going to add my webhook URL that I've copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I have filled all the required details. Now here I don't have to change any other detail here. I just need to click on Save Settings. And here my settings has been updated and I have successfully added my webhook in my Gravity form. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, what I need to do is I need to create a new form submission, or I need to fill my form in Gravity form with all the detail of my new inquiry or my prospective buyer. So for creating a new form submission, I need to take you back to Gravity form. I'm going to preview this form. And here this is my form. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill all these details here. So first I have to give my first name, and here my first name is going to be Michael. Last name will be Karis. I need to enter the email address, and here email will be michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to confirm the email, and now I have to give the phone number. So here I'm going to add the random phone number of my lead. Now I have to give the address. So here I'm going to add the address of my buyer or my lead. So here street address is going to be New Street. Address line 2 is going to be Old Apartments. City is going to be Bhopal. State is going to be Madhya Pradesh. And I'm going to give a random zip code. Now here I'm going to select the type of property I'm looking for. So I'm going to select independent house here. And now I have filled all the required details. So I'm going to click on submit. And here I have successfully submitted my form. Now that as I've created this form submission, I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have received the random phone number of my lead. I have the email address, that is michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com. Also in this, I have all other detail of my lead. Like I have the first name, that is Michael. I have the last name, that is Karis. I have the street address, that is New Street, Old Apartments. City is Bhopal. State is Madhya Pradesh. And I have the random zip code. Also here I have the type of property, that is independent house. So here we can see that automatically as I've created a new form submission in Gravity form, then I have received the detail of that form submission here in Pabbly Connect. So here in Pabbly Connect, I have received all the detail of the form submission that I have received through Gravity form. And now by using this form submission, what I need to do is I need to use all these details, and automatically by using those details, I want to create or update a new contact in my Keap account. So here Keap is my CRM application, and here for creating or updating a new contact in Keap, I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my action application is going to be Keap. So I'm going to search for that, and here I'm going to select Infusionsoft by Keap. So I'm going to select that, and now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and create/update contact is going to be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Infusionsoft by Keap with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. I need to click on add new connection. And now I'm going to click on connect with Infusionsoft by Keap. Now I'm going to click on allow to give access to my account. So I'm going to do that. And here I have successfully connected Infusionsoft by Keap with Pabbly Connect. Now here what I need to do is I need to fill all these details to create or update a new contact in Keap. And here for that I need to use all the detail of my Gravity form submission that I had received in my previous tab of trigger. So here simply by using my response from Gravity form, I'm going to map those details here in these tabs. And here for that I need to use mapping. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here, I will open this response of Gravity Forms, and here I need to map the email address. So this is the email address of my lead, so I'm going to map this. Now I have this option of email opted in. So if I want to do the email marketing for this particular lead, then I can select yes here. And now I have to scroll down, and here I have this option of how to check for duplicates. So whether if my contact already exists in Keap or not, how I'm going to check that? For that, I need to select this option of how to check for duplicates. So I'm going to open this tab, and I'm going to use email to check for duplicates. So I'm going to select that. And now I have to give the first name and the last name. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Gravity Forms. And here this is the first name of my lead, so I'm going to map this. Similarly, I'm going to map the last name. Now I'm going to scroll down again. And here I'm going to add the shipping address. So here I'm going to map the lead address. So I'm going to map the street line first. I'm going to give my shipping address street line 2. Now I'm going to give the city. And I'm going to give the state and the zip code. Also here I have to give the shipping address country, and here I'm going to give the country code of my country, which is India. So here the country code is IND. Now I'm going to scroll down, and here I have to give the phone number. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Gravity Forms, and here this is the phone number of my lead. So I'm going to map this. And now I have filled all the required details. Now that as I have filled all these details here, I have mapped all these details, and I have made all these details dynamic. Now what will happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new response from Gravity Forms with the new lead detail, then automatically all these details that I mapped here will get replaced with the new lead detail in the real time. And every time I'm going to receive a new form submission from Gravity Forms, then automatically by using those details, I will create or update a new contact in Keap. Now that I've filled all the required details, I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quiz button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that automatically I've created a new contact in Keap with all the detail of my form submission that I've received through Gravity Form. Now to check whether I've created a new contact or not, let me take you to Keap. And here in Keap, I'm going to go to Contacts. And here in Contacts, we can see I have created this new contact that is named as Michael Karras. So I'm going to open this. And here this is my new contact that I have just created. So the name is Michael Karras. I have the first name that is Michael. I have the last name that is Karras. I have the email address that is michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com. Also here I have the address that is New Street, Old Apartments, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. And I have the random zip code, and the country is India. So here we can see that I have automatically created a new contact in Keap by using all the detail of my form submission that I have received through Gravity Form. So simply by using all the detail of my lead for my real estate agency, I have created a new contact in Keap. So here I have done this automatically by setting up this automation between Gravity Forms and Keap. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through Gravity Form, then automatically by using those details, I can create or update a new contact in Keap. Now that I have successfully created this contact in Keap, now I'm going to check whether my automation is working or whether I'm going to update the new contact or not. So I'm going to use the same lead detail, but I'm going to make few changes, like I'm going to change the address and the phone number. So I'm going to go back to my Gravity Form. I'm going to preview this form one more time. Now here I'm going to fill all the detail of my lead, and I'm going to make few changes. So here I'm going to keep the first name as same as Michael. Last name will be Karras. Email will be same too. michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to confirm the email. Now I'm going to change the phone number. So this is going to be the new phone number. I'm going to change the address. So here the address will be ABC Street, New Road. I'm going to give the city as Indore, and my state is again going to be Madhya Pradesh, and I'm going to change the zip code. Now I'm going to select that property, and here the property is going to be commercial, and now I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to click on submit. And here I have successfully submitted my form. Now that as I have created this new form submission, now what should happen is that automatically by using the form submission detail, the contact that I have created in my Keap account should get updated with the new details of my lead. So here to check whether I have updated the contact in Keap or not, let me take you to Keap. I'm going to refresh this page. And now here in Keap, we can see I have created this contact of Michael Karras. And in this contact, we can see I have updated the detail, like I have the new phone number and also I have the new address. So the address is ABC Street, New Road, and the city is Indore, state is Madhya Pradesh. I have the random zip code and my country is India. So here we can see that as I have created a new form submission in Gravity form, then automatically by using those details of that form submission, I have updated and created a new contact in Keap. So here I have successfully created this automation between Gravity form and Keap. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission from Gravity form for my lead of real estate, and as I'm going to receive that form submission, then automatically by using those details, I will either create or update a new contact in Keap. So here I have successfully created this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have connected Gravity form with Infusionsoft by Keap to automatically create or update Keap contact on Gravity form submission. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Gravity Forms and my trigger event was new response. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was Infusionsoft by Keap, and my action event was create/update contact. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I am also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.